Morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. Well, keep an eye out on the telecom basket. They're all going to be in focus today as the court verdict on the AGR issue is going to be declared. It's a decision on essentially 3 main issues: the time frame for the staggered amount of the AGR dues, whether or not the spectrum and the right to use it can be transferred or sold under IBC, and whether or not the additional liabilities, if any, for Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel for the AGR dues of Reliance Communications, Videocon and Aircel will have to be paid. This verdict is also likely to be a key to Vodafone Idea's viability. Remember, the staggered payment schedule, the DOT had sought a time frame of about 20 years' time. Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea lawyers had said get it extended, bring it down to about 15 years and a time frame below 10 years. If that is announced by the Supreme Court, that will make it impossible for Vodafone Idea to even survive. Now, analysts are saying that a 20-year grant would result in a cash outgo of something like 2,700 crores per annum for Bharti and about 5,200 crores for Vodafone. A lower payment tenure could put pressure on Vodafone's cash flows, and to meet these obligations, Vodafone would need nearly 50% hike in their ARPUs. Getting a move on then, let's focus in on Bharti Infratel because the company is in focus. As we understand that they are looking at the merger for Infratel Indus-Stars. Vodafone Idea is likely to get a sum of 4,000 crore rupees to proceed ahead with this merger. Remember, this had been in the works for many months now, and they said they are now going to proceed ahead with it. They had announced a date in April 2018. They've extended it a total of 5 times. Vodafone Idea will encash its 11.5% holding to get that 4,000 crores, and the combined entity will have about 1.6 lakh towers. Meantime, L&T is well in focus as the company has gone ahead and approved the divestment of their ENA business. This is to Schneider Electric. In fact, this is for an all-cash deal for about 14,000 crore rupees. They will use the proceeds for their capital allocation from a long-term perspective. Remember, they too had announced this deal in May 2018. Now it's complete. They've got all the approvals in place, and the exit from this business is part of their strategic portfolio review. Meantime, you've got Dredging Corp reacting to its numbers. You got revenues at about 167 crores versus 196 crores, EBITDA at 46 crores versus 31 crore rupees, and margins came in at about 26.6% versus 15.8%. JK Cement is well in focus on the back of numbers. EBITDA at 212 crores, margins were flat at 21% this time around, and revenues at about 1,004 crores versus 1,349 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis. The profits as well came in significantly lower, 50 crore rupees versus about 132 crores on a yearly basis.